This is Professor L.B. Gaikwad's English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic Purpose of Group Discussion. This is my lecture 311 and part 6th. Here, before going to the topic, I will request you all to see all these notes in the description box. Then I will request again to watch, like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, please. So now we will go to the subject. In the part 5th, we saw the role of the gatekeeping, that is the gatekeeper. And this gatekeeper does his work. He controls the persons who are there. They are not means actually in the confidence, and that's why when they do not come into the confidence, this gentleman helps them to come to the confidence. That is the work of the gatekeeping or gatekeeper. Now we are studying in this part 6th the role of timekeeping, that is the timekeeper who is called a person, or there is a person who works as the timekeeper. The role of a person, that is the timekeeper, is known as or like a special kind of the I will say gatekeeper or gatekeeping. Means here there is the comparison between the gatekeeper and the timekeeper. It means that the gatekeeping and timekeeping are the two persons who are very essential to make the group discussion very much successful. If the timekeeper is best, it means if that timekeeper is working very nicely or positively, the success of the team is very much guaranteed or expected. It means that the work, the responsibility of the I will say the time persons, just a word is there, timekeeper. If this gentleman is working very much positively, then the success of the team is very much expected, or that is called guaranteed. The team members can manage time well, means with the help of this gentleman or with the assistance of the gentleman, the team makers can manage, or they can have the particular courage or encouragement, I will say, to do their group discussion very confidently. But sometimes they don't pay attention. But what happens, these members do not pay attention in the whim of speaking. It means they are involved, they are busy in speaking, and that's why they do not pay attention to the time, and that's why the role of this timekeeper is very important there. The timekeeper, that is this person, is essential to keep the time or to keep the team members in the time budget. It means that this gentleman is very much important to control the time, means the this person budgets the time, means he controls the team that the time should not go up, or they should finish that topic on the proper time, or they should pay attention to the time. He controls them to be in the budget of the time. In short, there should be someone to keep track of the time, to warn other members that the time of the discussion is nearly up, that is come to finish. Means the members are very busy in discussing, that's why they should be given the warning, and that warning is given by this gentleman who is called timekeeper. And this timekeeper gives this particular warning to them, and then they control themselves and they do the group discussion within the time which is given them. This timekeeping maintains the time budget of the group discussion. Means the budget is very much important. Without the budget nothing happens, and that's why this timekeeper controls the budget of the group discussion and is significant to win the group, and the group wins, and in the winning of that group, the role of this timekeeper is very much important. Now the following rules are there again, or the following, I will say, responsibilities or roles are again there, which are very much important to overall climate or environment of the particular team. These are the important aspects. I will say the first, sponsoring and encouraging is the particular, I will say, the rule or the aspect in which what is happening or what happens, we will see. Sponsoring and encouraging are significant in tackling the relaxed, silent and balancing atmosphere in the team, where all the members are free and tensionless to ask questions and respond to others' opinions. Remember here, when there is the sponsoring and there is the encouraging, these two words are showing. The sponsoring means that is also the shelter particular, and encouraging means there is the inspiration particular, and that's why these sponsoring and encouraging are very much important or significance and to maintain the relaxed, silent and balancing atmosphere in the group, and all the members there are free and tensionless, and in this way all these things are very much important to make the group discussion successful, and they can ask the questions or they can understand the questions of others also, and they can respond to the questions of other members also. You should be so sympathetic and understanding of others' views. It means that you means the group leader or the members. If there are some questions coming, then they should think of those questions or comments sympathetically or understandingly, because they must understand those questions or those comments, because those comments and questions will be useful for the group discussion, and that's why they should think of those comments and the questions coming from other persons also, or from the team members also. You should see at you about your views, then you will understand others' views. Here it is very much clear that everything depends on man. If man looks at himself, if he looks his mistakes, then he can understand the mistakes of others or the positiveness of others. Means there are many things in person, means negative as well as positive, and if all these things are understood by the person particularly, then he can understand others. So the group leader, the members should understand themselves. They should know that they are also the persons of mistakes. They can also do the mistakes. In this way they should understand, and if this habit they keep with them, then it is quite possible that they will understand the comments and questions of others, and the team will be very much successful according to the linguists. If you disagree, you should say in a way which will not be threatening. Means if you are not liking the comment of that particular person, you should not speak with him very threateningly, because that person will not again raise his question, and that will not be the positive atmosphere in the team. That's why we should be sympathetic to him. You should have the encouraging and very much respectful atmosphere, mind towards people, and in this way the team leader or suppose the member should have the particular atmosphere which will be sympathetic towards the persons other. You should encourage non-participants carefully and tactfully, showing them you are interested in their views. Means you should show that you are interested in their views or in their opinions or comments or questions. All should complement each other for respecting each other's good ideas, helpful explanations or other positive contributions. Now the next point is listening. Means we should have the capacity of listening to others. What is happened, everybody has lost his listening power. Means nobody has the endurance to listen to others, and that's why this capacity should be there. If there is the capacity of listening to others, then it is quite possible that the success of the group discussion is very much I will say significant, or it will be very much successful. So listening is very important in group discussion. So we will discuss now what is actually that listening. Listening is as significant as speaking is, but we neglect it in everyday life. You should memorize the gist of the previous speaker's opinion. Means remember, there are the previous opinions, means there are some questions, comments are there. We should memorize them, we should think of them, and then add those points or views into your views, means into your discussion. This builds your common understanding due to your involving with other people. Means in this way you are involving yourself into the into other persons. Means here it is quite possible that you are respecting the thoughts of other persons. Now the next is relieving group tension. Means you should relieve, you should relax, you should here make silent the tension of persons. Means you should make silent the persons, because persons are there under tension because they are doing the group discussion, and that's why relieving group tension is important. When the discussion is deadly serious, the atmosphere of disagreement goes high, or frustration is there in the group. So remember here, when there is the frustration or there is the disagreement situation available in the group, so what should we do? So in this frustration we should help, we should make some jokes, and with the help of some light jokes, that atmosphere turns into the happy atmosphere, and then that becomes very much important for the success of the I will say group discussion. By passing the happy climate in this way, you can avoid the difficulties of the responsibility by engaging the members in some assignment. So here today we have finished this topic. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.